Okay, what was the last thing? What did we discuss in the last class?
Number, sir. What is
Number.
number?
What
What
is
is number?
number?
Okay, good. So tell me what is number. Today you answer the same question again. If I ask you what is number, then what will be your answer?
So number is a mathematical symbol which is used for counting and measurement.
Good. It is possible. Okay. So it is actually a concept, right? Number is a concept. So number is a concept. Number maybe five, maybe four. So we just understand what is five, what is four, and we can show it. We can show it to others by some objects. Maybe five is a number, so 5 person, or five chocolate, or 5 taka, or 5 countries, or 5 acres of land.
Mhm.
Okay, something like that. So this is the concept we already discussed in the last class, and we will move to other things today. Let me start showing my PowerPoint slide today. Okay, now I am showing my PowerPoint slide. So do you see my slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir, I can see.
you cannot see, then you wait, maybe it will come. Maybe because of poor connection, it is coming little late. Yes. So you can see my slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you do not talk, uh, mute your mic. Mute. Everyone mute your mic so that nobody will be disturbed. Okay. If you have something to say, then unmute and talk. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I have written fall 2019. No, let me just correct. Okay. It is not 19. Sorry. So okay, now it is correct. Fall 2020, and this course is for non-engineering programs, and my name is written here. No problem. So let me move to the next slide. Okay. Can you see the next slide?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So it is
Yes,
written
sir.
what is number, and it is written number is a concept. Number helps counting and order. So what is order? Order means serial number. So first, second, third, fourth, like that. Okay. So number presents the quantity and measurement of objects or matters. Okay. Number is also used for labeling and calculations. So what is labeling? What is labeling? Do you have any idea?
সমতা
No, no, no,
Equal.
no, 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 no. That is Level. Twitter spelling is, if you want to think about equality or equal, that is Level. ওইটা না, এখানে বলা হচ্ছে LABEL, labeling. What is labeling?
Naming.
Naming. Yes, naming is correct. Say room number 204. So that is a number. It is used for the name of the room. Say your student ID. Okay, student ID is also a number, and it is Actually, 11. Is it mute your mic, everybody? Somebody is, I mean, some noise of sound coming. Okay, you mute your mic.
Rafsan, please mute your microphone.
Hello.
If you want to say something, then unmute and speak. Otherwise, mute. Yes, anyone wants to say something? No. So this is all about number. This slide is number. What is number? It is the slide for that. So you keep your page and pen. If you want to take note of the class, you will write it. I will share my slides later. If you miss, then that will not be a problem, and you do not need to copy the full slide. No need to copy the full slide. Just you take the note. Okay, because I will share my slides later. So don't worry about everything. Okay, just take note. Is that okay? Do you have anything to ask on this, or it is clear?
So leveling means naming, right, sir?
Right, like naming. Say, for example, 204 is the room number, that is the level. Say your ID number, student ID. Student ID is one example of labeling. Okay, and calculation is you understand easily, 5 into 7, okay, 7.3 into 19, or 19 divided by 4. So all these are calculations. So number are used for calculations also. Any question on this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So let me move to the next slide. Okay, so this is another slide, and here we have different symbols of numbers. Okay, different symbols of numbers. There are first row for Arabic number, then Bengali number. Okay, Chinese example. Devanagari is Sanskrit, actually Sanskrit. Ethiopia, Mongolian and Tamil and Thai and Urdu, and there are many others. So what about Somali numbers? Do you use different symbols? Abdi Razak is here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you use different symbols for numbers in Somalia, in Somali language?
No, sir. No, sir. Somali number is formal numbers like English number. Same. We don't have
Like English number. Okay.
yeah.
So English number is written at the top. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top level, and it is
Yeah.
called actually Roman. It is called actually Roman symbols. Okay.
Yeah.
So same number you use in Somalia, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good. So let me move to the next slide. This is just for your understanding. That's all. Okay. So in the first classification, we write numbers are basically two types. One is real, one is unreal. So unreal number can be called imaginary number and complex number. Okay, complex or imaginary or unreal, same thing. Okay, and another type of number is real number. Okay, so who can tell me something. What do you understand by real number? What is real number? Can anyone tell me what is real number?
1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. That's
These
real
are
number.
the real numbers. Okay,
0
so
to 9.
0 to 9. Okay, these are the
0 to
real
9
numbers.
is real numbers.
Okay, anything else? 0 to 9 can be used for unreal numbers also. So only 0 to 9, you cannot say like that. What is the concept? What is your understanding? How can you say that a number is a real number? Read the last line. Read the last line. What I have written in the last line, last point in this
The
current
number
slide.
Sir, rational and irrational number together called natural number, real number.
না আমি ওইটা what is rational, what is irrational, I am coming later. Now I request you to read the last line here, last sentence.
The numbers which can be described with the realities are real number.
Okay, now you try to understand which can be described with realities. Which can be described with realities. Try to understand this thing.
So realities means which one we used in our regular life.
Yes,
Real
real life.
life.
Yes,
Real
correct.
life.
Okay, so 5, say 5 is a real number. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it is real number? What is the reality? What example you can give?
Measurement.
So like 5 taka or 5
Yes,
chocolates like this.
exactly.
5
5,
liters, 5 kg.
exactly. 5 kg of rice, 5 liter of Coke, or 5 taka, or 5
Yes, sir.
chocolate. All these are real life examples. Okay, so 5 is a real number. What about 2.3? Is it real number?
No, sir.
2.3 real example. Is it possible or not? 2.3 real life example.
No, sir.
2.3
Why not?
unreal.
Why not 2.3 kg of rice? What is the problem?
Yes, sir. Possible, sir. 2.3.
Yes, sir. Possible, sir.
2.5.
2.3, not 2.5. 2.5 is also similar thing, but I am
Yes,
talking
sir.
about 2.3. So now tell me, 2.3, is it real number? Then you will take, is it possible to give real life example with 2.3? So it is actually possible. 2.3 real life example. What can be the real life example? 2.3 kg of rice. It is possible, real life, real example, 2.3 kg of rice, possible. What else? What else? 2.3 acres of land, possible.
2.3 gold.
2.3 gram of gold, yes,
Gold.
possible. Yes, possible. So these are the real life example. It is possible.
Yes.
Everyone is okay with that? Is it possible?
Yes, sir. Is it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Possible. So real life example possible. So it is real number. Now tell me, what about 0? 0 is a real number.
Yes, sir. 0 is also a real number.
Good. Give me real life example.
Like, sir, you can told me like you get 0 number in your exam.
Yeah, possible. Yes, this is real life
Yes.
example. Okay, there was one question and you answered is wrong. So what did you get? You have
0.
got. So this is real example. Okay. So say you are empty pocket. You have no taka, no money.
I have
So
zero money on my money bag.
yeah,
You
so
have
you have
zero money.
yeah, so you have 0 taka in your money bag. Yes, so real life example possible. Okay, say you were expecting some friends to come to your house এবং অনেক ঝড় বৃষ্টি হইলো কেউ আসে নাই. So how many people came? No, nobody came. So 0 people came, right? So this is also real life example. Is it okay? 0 is also real number.
Yes, sir.
2.3, 2.5, 2.7, 7.3, all these are real number. Is that okay? Understand clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is -3? -3, is it a real number?
No, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
Then give me example. How can it be real number?
2 days -3 Celsius temperature.
Yes, correct. Okay, -3 degrees Celsius can be the temperature and it is real. So this is another example. Okay, you can say 3 taka loan or 3 lakh taka loan. So that can be also minus. Okay, so how rich you are? তুমি কেমন ধনী? Why আমার তো -3 lakh টাকা আছে. So -3 lakh taka means what? Actually you are in a loan. So it is also possible, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus
Yes,
number
sir.
is also real number example. Good. Now tell me √5. Is it a real number? Or okay, let me tell you √2. What do you think? Is it a real number? √2?
No, sir.
But why not? You cannot.
In math, the answer is √2 or something.
If you say no, that means you cannot give real life example. If you say no, that means you cannot give real life example for √2. So everyone is okay with that? √2 is not real. Is it correct? Or do you not agree?
Sir, correct.
It is correct? Okay, oh my
No,
God.
sir. No. I think it's not correct, but sir, I don't have the perfect example of this.
Good, very good. So that is why I am now taking you to another screen, that the white screen I will write. Is that okay? Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just let me put a square. Do you see the square I put here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so say this is a square and this is a tile, actually tile on the floor. Possible, right? Floor
Yes, sir.
যে
Yes,
tile,
sir. Tiles করা থাকে ওটা এরকম।
possible. So this is real, right? And এখন তো কেউ বলবো
Yes,
না
sir.
যে না এটা real না.
Yes, sir.
There are tiles on the floor and it is real, right?
Yes, sir.
So say for example, we have a floor with square tiles. This is real. And we have the length. We have the length of every square as 1. And we have the width also 1. So this is also 1 and everything is 1. Okay, it is also 1 and this is also 1 and this is also 1. Everything 1 1 1. Is that okay? Then what will be the length of this corner? What will be the length of this corner? Who can tell me what is the length of this corner?
Sir, √2.
Root over 2. Good. So how can you get this root over 2?
Sir, use Pythagoras math. Pythagoras theory.
Pythagoras theory. It is correct. So everyone can understand or not?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
this is a triangle, and in the triangle actually you can use the Pythagoras math, and if one side is 1, another side is also 1, then the larger side, right? Larger side will be just what? Sorry, let me just. Okay, so the one side is 1, another side is also 1, so the larger side will be something like root over 1 square plus 1 square. So root over 1 square plus 1 square means actually root over 2. So root over 2 is this length. So don't you think this is a real length? এটা চোখে দেখা যাচ্ছে, you can touch it, you can measure it. It is the real thing. It is the corner to corner length of your floor tile. So don't you think, is it a real thing? Yes. Yes, yes, it is real. It is real example. It is real. তোমার এখানে imagination is not necessary. You can touch your floor tile and you can see, yes, this is real. So root over 2 is a real number. Root over 2 is a real number. Yes, it is correct. Root over 2 is a real number. And in the same way, root over 5 is also real number. Okay?
Yes.
So আমি just বলে দিলাম this is 2 and this is 1. তাহলে এটা root over 5 হয়ে যাবে. So root over 5 is also real number. Okay, this is one example. So in many ways you can show that root 5, root 2, root 3, root 7, this type of numbers are also real numbers, because you can show this number with real life example. Any question from anybody?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now we understand some positive numbers and whole numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the real numbers. Some fractional numbers like 2.3, 2.5, 3.7. These are also real numbers, right? Okay, let me write this here. So 2, 3, 4, these are the real numbers possible. Okay, maybe fractional numbers like 2.3, then 2.5, then 7.3. These are also real numbers possible. The number which is 0, that is also real number. The number negative, okay, also real numbers. Say -2, -3. These are also real numbers. Okay, minus 3.5, also real number. And now I have shown you that the root over 2, root over 3, these are also real numbers. Root over 5, root over 7, these are also real numbers, right? So there are many real numbers, but all real numbers are not same. Okay, there are different types, and then the rational number, irrational number will come. That is the matter of what is the type of real numbers. Okay, So what is the type of real numbers means maybe rational number, maybe irrational number, and maybe other types also. Okay, so we will talk about this now. Before going into the type of real numbers, let me tell you a little thing about unreal. So what is unreal? What is unreal or complex or imaginary? Okay, all the same thing. So what do you understand by unreal number? Who can say about this? Do you have any idea about unreal number?
No, sir.
That is just
Sir, maybe we can
yeah,
divide
yeah.
it this number.
The concept is, I mean, just understanding is very simple, easy. That is, which is not real. Which is not real will be unreal. So not real means what? Not real means the number,
Number.
yes, the number which cannot be presented with real life things. Okay, the numbers which cannot be with real life things. That is the unreal number. So what can be the example? Numbers cannot be presented with real life examples. That will be unreal. So what is the unreal example? Unreal example will be, say,
Square,
square,
b square, b square, a square,
b square, a square. Then what is a and b?
to the 4. These are
Yes, you tell me what is the uh, AB then. You are saying square, a square, b square. Okay. So what do you mean by A and B?
these are um, no,
Okay.
forgot, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So you maybe you know something about unreal numbers, but the concept is not very clear. So that is why you are struggling. So it's okay. Don't worry about that. So what I am saying, the numbers which are not really real, which are not real, will be considered as unreal number. So this is the unreal number example. Okay, so you can say for example, root over then minus thing, say root over then minus 4. So you cannot give real life example for this number. Why not? If you have root over 4, that will be real. If you have root over 4, it is answer is 2. Right or wrong? Root over,
Right, sir.
Right,
okay.
sir.
Okay, so root over 4 can be 2. Why? Because 2 into 2 is 4. Because 2 square is 4. Because 2 into 2 is 4. That is why root over 4 is 2. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how can it be real life example? Say 1 square and one side is 2, another side is 2. So this is 2 into 2 possible. Length into breadth, it is 4. So it is possible in real life. Okay. Can you say root over 4 equal to minus 2 also? Can you say like that? can you say root over 4 is also minus 2? Is it possible?
Sir, it will be 2.
Yes, 2 is correct and also minus 2. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Root over 4 equal to minus 2. It is also correct actually. It is also correct. Why also correct? Why also correct? Because the same thing. Because minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 will be again 4. Will be again 4.
Yes, sir.
So root over 4 can be 2. Root over 4 can be also minus 2. দুইটা আনসারই কারেক্ট হবে, minus 2 লিখলেও কারেক্ট হবে, plus 2 লিখলেও কারেক্ট হবে. So it is actually because of these two things. One is minus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4 and plus 2 into plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, so the number, it will be multiplied by itself. The number, it will be multiplied by itself. That is why it is possible. Now come back to imaginary part. So how can it be something into something? Okay, something into same number, same, and it will be minus 4. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
কিভাবে বলো, কাকে দিয়ে কাকে গুণ করলে -4 হবে? মানে if it is a, then the other number is also a. এরকম কি এক্সাম্পল আছে?
It's possible.
So that you can get -4.
So minus 2 into plus 2.
না, তাহলে তো সেম নিজের সাথে নিজে হইল না। তোমার এরকম সেম থিং, সেম নাম্বার নিজেই নিজেকে গুণ করতে হবে। সো -2 into -2 or +2 into +2, তাহলে এই রুট ওভারটা আসে। রুট ওভারের মিনিংটাই হচ্ছে এরকম। ইউ আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড মাই পয়েন্ট? দ্য
Yes, sir.
রুট ওভার মিনিং। So how can it be possible that one number will be multiplied by itself and the number will be -4? Is it possible to get any number? এরকম কিছু পাওয়া সম্ভব?
No, sir.
তাহলে দেখা যাচ্ছে যে এটা এরকম কিছু পাওয়া সম্ভব হইতেছে না। That is why it is called unreal. That is why it is called unreal. That is, really in real life it is not possible to find out a number which will be multiplied by itself and the result is -4. It is never possible in real life. So root over -4 can be an example of unreal number. Root over minus any, root over -3 or root over -5 or root over -1, any number will be unreal example, because in real life it is not possible to describe. Is it okay? Do you understand this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in your study, in business, okay, in real life activities, there is no unreal number. Okay, say for example, for economics, for business administration, say you can do a business, you will make some profit. Okay, can it be unreal profit? No. Imaginary profit? No. It is not possible. Someone cannot say, okay, let us assume that our profit is -4 root over lakh taka. No, this is not, I mean, meaningful. In our real life examples, all are real numbers. So why the unreal numbers are there? Because some calculations need the unreal situation, and those type of situation will be only for high level engineering or technology related calculations. Only for, not general, only for high level engineering or technological calculations we find some unreal numbers. So for your programs, maybe you are from economics, BBA or agriculture or nursing, all your necessity will be real numbers. That's it. You do not need to learn details of unreal number. Just have some idea, have some understanding about unreal number. That will be all right. Is that okay? Do you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you have to know more on real numbers. Okay, you have to know more on real numbers. So in the next class, I will show you what are the different types of real numbers. Okay, so today you understand what is real number, and today you understand what is unreal number also, and you understand that real numbers can be divided into different types, and we will discuss on the different types of real numbers in the next class.